Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to go paid on Substack. So for that guys, first of all, you will need to log into your account on substack.com and then select writers. Now select go paid. Now you need to select your estimate subscribers and your estimate income per month, and after that you need to select on get started. Now you need to enter here your email address and then select on agree and continue. Now you need to select your publication URL and after that select on continue. Now select here I am not a robot and then select on continue. Now you need to upload your file here and then you need to select on continue, and after that you guys now have successfully started your paid subscriptions on Substack. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video now. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.